Welcome all of you to this driving lesson series. We are going to learn very important driving skills in this video series recorded on a dashcam. If you are a novice driver, then you must understand the driving pattern of Indians. When you are driving behind a big vehicle, such as truck or luxury bus, you should keep distance of minimum 3 meters from big vehicle. You never know when big vehicles moves left or right and don't give you time to apply brake, then you might be meet with an accident. You can clearly see that the pickup Bolero, not giving side indicator and moves left. Luckily we have maintained minimum distance so we could slow down. Please like, share and subscribe our channel so that you can find more useful tips of driving skills. These are real life scenarios. Our intention is not to harm anybody or any community. This is purely educational purpose. We believe we could reduce number of accidents cumulatively to make people aware about proper driving skills with real life challenges.